Well, I'm just on my way back from the post office and dropped some parcels off. I've just checked the maps and it's around 300 miles to Cornwall, where I'm heading on a little week away with a family. Booked a little lodge and it's worked out perfect as a couple of my friends are down there sea fishing. I'm going to plan to do a little bit myself and have a nice break away. So yeah, going to be getting in the motor and on my way there. Long old journey, around 6.5 hours. But yeah, take a little stop in between and hopefully arrive safe. Going fishing. She's asleep. Going here. What one should we try up here for the mackerel? Get a few different ones. No, they're not mine.
Let's just get the purple.
Right, take that. We'll get them. We'll get them all.
One more. Yeah, because that's my favourite. Daddy, those are big.
What one should we get? The silver one. Hold that. I'll put this other one back. Give them to the lady.
If you're a very good boy today, which you are anyway, you can have 2 of those, whichever you want.
Pick 2. One for you, one for your sister.
There you go.
What'd you say?
Thank you.
That's all right, darling. See you.
Yeah, he's doing well. Have a lovely day, yeah?
same to you.
I'll see you soon. See you later. It's lovely, isn't it?
Oh, it's actually very clear, so I could go a bit out.
Yeah, you gonna come swimming? Wait, look at him. See ya. We're gonna try and get some wrasse. Got some nice rag. Gonna tie up a little paternoster. And try and catch one. Have some lunch, an hour, and then we are off to the beach.
Daddy is spiky.
Do you wanna hold him?
Yeah. Should we throw him back in? Should we throw him back in?
He won't spike you, just hold him.
Should we throw him back in after?
Yeah.
Wolfie, hold him up.
Smile.
Smile. Mummy, sometimes I'm careful at hiding, like, if it, where he's...
Cool one, Ari. Look. Hey! Is that slimy? Mind your fingers, he's got little teeth. He's beautiful. She getting back? Different species. Hey. Oh, did you see that prawn?
Yeah.
He was well fast. He went into that seaweed there. This seaweed right there. Scoop in there.
No, no getting out. Can we cook them?
I don't think so. I've actually done quite a bit of sea fishing over the last year with my friend, and I must say that it's certainly exciting compared to your freshwater fishing. You just really don't know what you're gonna catch, and although my good pal is an out and out carp angler, he don't actually carp fish anymore, and very rarely fishes for any freshwater species. He's always up and down the country fishing for different bits and bobs along the shoreline. And I'll be honest, sort of the lifestyle and everything that goes with it, living on the coast, is really sort of gripping me. And I'll be honest, I'm kind of looking in that way of life as that I'd really like to live it, and retire nice and early, have a little boat, and be out there fishing for whatever comes along. But yeah, today I think the target species is going to be sharks, and we're going to be fishing for them with dead baits, obviously getting a chum line going. I actually met Dave, strangely, the world of social media is so strong online, but we fished the same lake together going back over 5 or 6 years, but never actually bumped into each other. Sort of briefly stayed in contact ever since. And I mentioned that I was I randomly messaged him and actually said, like, when am I coming out on the boat, or when can we sort of session, something like that, just because I really love doing different bits and bobs, and not only just sticking to one sort of species, as a lot of you will know. And it really was weird how we're actually in the south coast of England together. Dave's from a lot north than where I am in London, and it was just mental how we're both down here at the same time, and actually planned to get out together. His good friends Mitch, he's joining us. He's done bits and bobs for the world of carp fishing before, so it'd be great to meet him and have a good day out and a good laugh together. So fingers crossed we get out on the water and we catch something very special today. There's my breakfast. There's Mitch's breakfast. I am.
Come on, they're beautiful, aren't they?
Oh, what was that? This is a joke, bruv.
Alfie,
Yeah?
turn the boat right. Turn the boat right. Turn the boat right.
Full lock, yeah?
Yeah, I'll get all that rod in a bit. You want to hurry up about it? Give us that rod, man. Get a man. We need to swap over. Slow the boat down now. No, that all goes round the back.
Hey?
That all goes round the back.
Mate, I've never, ever seen anything like that in my whole life.
You get to hold it, yeah? Yeah. Oh, cheers! Right. You hold up to me, Alfie. On here. Yeah. Oh, fucking. There you are, brother.
Take
Yeah?
your time, bro. Just take your time. It's in God's hands.
Right. So you need to go? No, not yet. Right, yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, yeah. Good, that line.
That's a joke.
It's like a guitar. Need to ring. Yeah. Forward, mate. You done it, Alf?
Yeah.
Some goodies, yeah?
Yeah, look at the size of that.
With me as well, Mitch. Yeah.
Go on, Mitch.
Fucking bloke on bloke. 3 metres late. Fucking cunts. Get the dogs.
Gonna try get some wrasse and maybe some bigger bass. After that mega day yesterday with the boys and the unexpected huge tuna, I'm gonna have my last little few hours fishing with my own company. Had a few little wrasse and another species, I think it's some kind of goby, with my son the other day. And yeah, right now I'm just gonna make my way down here, get to the end of the headland and try and catch a few bigger wrasse just before I head off tomorrow. All baited, bit of ragworm, tiny tackle box, portable charger and my phone. Let's see how we get on. Well, gave it 5 minutes there and didn't have anything, so I'm moving across to a different spot on the headland. I'm not really going to stick in a spot for too long because you're against obviously the tide times and you want to make the most of your fishing. So yeah, I'm going to go and try and find some fish elsewhere. These wrasse tend to, I'll be honest, you catch them with this method using rag or crab quite easy. So you know when you're on fish, to be honest. And I certainly wasn't there, so yeah, I'm gonna get to a different spot. Let's see if we can have one. It's literally so crazy, all of this. You've got to be so careful and make sure that you watch where you're putting your step and you don't step on any fresh seaweed and even wet rocks, because they can be very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Well, come to a nice deep pool. I'm sure there's going to be some wrasse in here. Just off of the front of this. The tide's actually low tide, but they seem to like living in their little holes and in and around the seaweed. So gonna give it a go in here for 10 minutes and see how I get on. Just arrived at the other spot. It's lovely and deep in this little arm off the headland, so I'm going to give it a go here for 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. Look at that. That's what I come for. A lovely wrasse. Beautiful fish. Here we go. Beautiful little wrasse. Gonna get him back in the ocean. And I'm pretty sure he's gone. I didn't want to try and reach too far in case I went in myself. But yeah, wicked wrasse. See if we can get another one. With it being low tide and not many other wrasse around, I caught that couple of pounder and was more than satisfied with that result. There wasn't too much sort of materialising after that, so I decided to head off home. We had to pack for the long drive ahead the next day. I was super over the moon with that huge tuna that me, Dave and Mitch managed to land the day before. What a lovely trip, and it goes to show that there is so much out there. You just gotta have a little bit of a break from your ordinary fishing and try something else, because I'll be honest, after catching that and experiencing something like that, it really does throw a spanner in the works and just makes you so hungry for more. So I can't wait to get back next year and do it even bigger and better.